Today I am going to start unit number 6, that is file management. File management is the last unit in the OSI subjects. Okay, in the file management, first point is the introductions. In introduction, first point is the file. File means what exactly? Whenever particular users or creator or owner create a file in the machines, okay, that particular files are created in the machines. Otherwise, particular users or owner just take a file from number of secondary storage devices like magnetic tape, magnetic disks, PD, CD, DVD. Okay, once a particular user just create a file in the machines, that particular files are created. Okay, in that files are available of a number of informations or data. That information or data are in a sometimes images, sometimes graphical images, sometimes programs, sometimes data, sometimes audio. Okay, there is a number of kind of informations available in that files. Okay, now files are created are very easy. There is a number of methods or number of techniques are available, so, okay, for creating a files, okay, in the machines. Now in the file there is a number of programs or number of informations, number of data are available. That all data or all informations are in a sequential manner or a proper manner or proper arrangement in that files. Okay, now generally the files are in that file. There is a number of information or data are available. That information or data are in a bits and bytes forms, okay, and lines form. That information are in a bits and bytes and lines forms. Okay, now in the file there is a number of commonly the files commonly in the file there is a number of program and data are available. Okay, that all that programs and data are in a sequential and proper arrangement with a proper manners. Okay, now the files are easily created from the users. Okay, and sometimes the users are just access or just getting the file from number of secondary storage devices. Okay, that is exactly simple introduction of a files. Okay, okay, now there is a number of attributes of a file. First one is the name, second one is the type, third one is the location, fourth one is the size, fifth one is the protection, sixth one is the time, date and user identification, and last one is the created and owners. Okay, now first attribute is the name. Now whenever a particular users or a particular programmer or operator or owner create a file, that time he just first give a file name. User can use any kind of a file name. Okay, there is no limitations what is exactly a name of a file, but that particular files are most readable by human beings. Okay, now next point is the file type. There is a number of types of files are available. Which kind of file exactly we created in the machines, that particular type is exactly file type. That particular file types are some information or some points are we just explain in a next lecture what is exactly file types. Okay, third one is the locations. Whenever particular users or a creator or owner create a file in the machines, that time what is exactly location of a file means what is exactly path of the files means where to exactly I create a file in the machines, that is exactly locations. Now fourth one is the size. Size means what exactly? Whenever a particular users create a file in the machines, that time in the file there is a number of informations, data, programs are available. That all information or data are counting, okay, in a bits and bytes form. Okay, that is that particular bits and bytes means how much exactly bits means how many total bits, how many total bytes are available in that files. Okay, that is exactly a size of the files means of what is exactly size of file. Sometimes 1 KB, 2 KB, 1 MB, 2 MB, that is exactly size. Okay, now fifth one is the protections. Suppose sometimes our file is a very important files like a secret file, okay, private file. That time we just provide some kind of a protections for a files. Okay, means when it means what is exactly need of a protections. Our files are, suppose our files are a private file or a secret file. That particular files are no that particular files are cannot access by unauthorized users. Okay, that time we just provide a protections or a security. That kind of securities are different kinds of securities means reading mode, writing mode, executing mode. That kind of settings are available in the file options when the I create a file that times. Okay, next attribute is the time, date and user identifications. Whenever I just create whenever a particular users, owners or creator create a file in the machines, that time automatically created some informations regarding a files like what is exactly time, means which kind of a times are occurs, which kind of a exactly date or occur. Okay, that kind of a settings, that kind of information are present automatically in the machines regarding a files. Means a second time, means after 2 days, after 2 hours, after 2 months, we just access a previous same file. That time we just easily identify what is exactly time and date. Okay, okay, we just get the exact time and date regarding the files. Okay, that kind of informations are present when we just create a file in the machines by users or programmers. Now created or owner, created or owner means what exactly, means those who just create a file in the machines, that particular person, that particular human is called as a creator owners. Okay, like users, like a programmer or operators is like a creator owner. Those are those who just create a file in the machines. That is exactly a simple attributes of a file and simple introduction of a file. I hope all of you understand this concept. If you any doubt, any query, please ask me my message or call. It's a very important.